जयपुर स्टोरीज में आपका स्वागत है। आज मैं लिए चलता हूं आपको निगाही माइन की यात्रा पे। ये एक बड़ी और ओपन कास्ट माइन है। यहाँ मैंने अपनी जिंदगी के लगभग 30 साल बिताए हैं। तो चलिए।
Small village in the remote forests of Madhya Pradesh have now grown within just 3 decades to be one of the largest and most prestigious gold mine of our nation. Nigahi Project, a unit of flagship Mini Ratna Company, Northern Coalfields Limited, Singrauli, has been acclaimed for its special endeavors in environmental mitigation, employee welfare, and operational safety. Apart from being the highest annual coal producer of NCL in successive years since 2012-13. Located near the banks of Govind Ballabh Pant Sagar, Northern Coalfields Limited, Singrauli, a subsidiary of Coal India Limited, is a salient contributor in satisfying the burgeoning coal demand of the nation. NCL comprises 10 highly mechanized trailblazing open cast mines, digging out coal-bearing barracudas beneath Gondwana rocks, which energizes 5 super thermal power stations of NTPC and UPVUNL in the vicinity, apart from other thermal power stations and industries of the nation. Proud to be a part of energy capital of the nation, Nigahi project contributes to about 2.5% of the national coal production. Spread in an area of about 3,000 hectares, Nigahi mine commenced its coal production in the year 1990. The project was initially designed by Jiproshant, a Russian company, in collaboration with CMPDIL Ranchi, and its first mining operations began with 12.5 cubic meter bucket capacity EKG Russian shovels. For more than 30 years now, the project is steadily contributing towards accomplishing the coal requirement of its linkage power station of Vindhyachal Super Thermal Power Station, NTPC, and other thermal power stations of the nation. Yet, with the rise of each new day, it's getting a cut above. Progressive high performance in important parameters highlights our congruous efforts in digging out 277 million tons of coal from the Mother Earth till March 2020.
हम लोग कोल प्रोडक्शन के साथ साथ कोल क्वालिटी पर विशेष ध्यान देते हैं। कोल क्वालिटी के लिए मेथड ऑफ माइनिंग पर भी हमारा विशेष स्ट्रेस रहता है। हर स्टेप को प्रॉपर मॉनिटरिंग करते हैं। प्रॉपर मॉनिटरिंग से हमको काफी अच्छे रिजल्ट्स निगाही प्रोजेक्ट में मिल रहे हैं।
3 things you need to know in order to impress your bosses and colleagues with stunning presentations like this. Number 1. Do not take more than 30 minutes to design a
Nigahi homes a mammoth heavy earth moving machinery fleet, which includes 4 drag lines ranging from 20 to 20 cubic meters bucket capacity, 20 shovels having capacity variance between 10 to 20 cubic meters, 118 large dumpers, 35 dozers, 25 drills, and 9 high-capacity water sprinklers for the extraction of the black gold in a sustainable manner. With our committed and visionary team of more than 2,500 proud miners, we aspire to always take a step forward and go the extra mile. Born out of our deep regard for our fellow beings, safety of every miner has been our foremost concern. We firmly believe that every miner collectively makes up our Nigahi family. Individual counseling, family counseling, and brainstorming interactive sessions with workmen representatives invigorate us to update our safety measures and motivate us to enrich our safety standards.
At Nigahi project, we ensure the safety of workers so that they can go home safely.
keeping up with our vision of being a symbol of mining in harmony with nature. Effective restoration of flora and fauna through more than 33 lakhs plantations has been our unvarying endeavor. Development of an eco-restoration park in association with Forest Research Institution Dehradun on the overburdened dump of Nigahi has helped us to explore the recovery of flora and fauna on overburdened dump slopes. Innovative ventures of adopting drip irrigation at Nigahi on otherwise dry and sandy overburdened dump slopes in order to achieve sustainable plantations with increased growth rate is giving encouraging results. Project Nigahi is gratified to be the zero discharge mine, and the mine water generated is recycled for industrial purposes after treatment. Deployment of continuous air quality monitoring station, mist spray system, religious water sprinkling on mine haul roads, green belt along the closed conveys, judicious spreading of topsoil for effective biological restoration of overburdened dumps. Thick curtain plantation between mine and residential premises are some of the important outcomes of our undying efforts to provide green solution to the large-scale open-cast mining. Nigahi abodes prestigious schools such as Delhi Public School and DAV schools to ensure quality education for the kids of our employees.
We are thankful to Northern Coalfields Limited, especially Nigahi project, for bringing up this school and providing good facility to the students of the employees of NCL as well as other non-NCL people also, and this has really proved to be a blessing for people of this area.
Round-the-clock health dispensaries, well-facilitated residential colony, emulated cluster parks, shopping centers, community buildings, safe drinking water exhibits our concern for employee welfare.
यहाँ पर 1988 से हूँ और बिल्डिंग के काम में लगा रहता हूँ और निगाही में काम करने में एक अच्छा अनुभव होता है और हमारे बीच अधिकारियों और कर्मचारियों में एक अच्छा संबंध है और लगातार हम मिल करके इस प्रयास में रहते हैं कि हम निगाही को कितना ऊंचा करें.
To promote the work-life balance of the employees, various recreational activities, gym facility, badminton court, yoga classes, large stadium with amenities of different games have been provided, in addition to recognition and appreciation of their work efforts, winning hearts of the communities in surrounding. Through the activities under our corporate social responsibility has been an important part of our endeavors. Skill development, Anganwadi, requisite developmental infrastructure, promoting sports, Swachhata Abhiyan, educational facilities in villages are different ventures of Nigahi that amounts to total expenditure of 2,455 lakhs during last 5 years, which is 5.6% more than the sanctioned budget. The exceptional facet of the project is evinced by the wide opening provided to the innovative concepts oozing out of our workforce that impart solutions to the critical issues in the mine operation, safety and environmental mitigation measures.
The project is wide open to the new ideas or providing green solutions to the open cast mining, especially by our young workforce. The innovative proposals are subjected to research by our dedicated planning team, and then it is implemented accordingly. That is necessary for sustainability of the large-scale mining.
Being collaborative as a think tank to the organization, the employee feel elated and the smile on their faces sparks the engine to perform.
Nigahi project is a progressive mine with a vision to enhance its coal production up to 21 million tons per annum in order to address the burgeoning coal demand of the nation. Upgradation of its infrastructure, keeping abreast with latest technology like high capacity shovels in conjunction with 190-ton dumpers has been envisaged in its future program. introduction of surface miner, closed conveying unit of coal, provision of mist spray system and breaking wall are some of the steps that is being initiated to render sustainable mining in harmony with nature.
We are continuously working towards building a new tale of commitment, dedication, and vision by expanding our horizons with each passing day for the future called India and carrying over our glorious legacy of 3 decades.
ऐसी ही रोमांचक यात्रा देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। देखने के लिए धन्यवाद।